Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great because I have a new subscription on this channel. It is called Things I Love. And let me tell you a little about this. This is a $35.95 a month subscription, but I do have a code. I will leave it down below that you can get $10 off. So you can get this for $25.95. And let me read you a little bit what this is about. I usually, with new subscriptions, I like to look everything up so I can give you as much information as I can on this box. So I'm reading from Cratejoy, and I did get this subscription free for a review. And it says, this is a self-care subscription box for women curated with carefully chosen exclusive products and more for you. Every month, we'll send you 5 to 7 self-care items like our exclusive Luv beauty and bath products, fragrant candles, gorgeous fashion accessories, popular beauty items, Chic pick-me-ups and more, exclusive full-size Luv beauty bath and body products. Okay, it goes on and on. So it's more like a lifestyle box or like a personal, like pamper you up box. So let's see what it did come with, like a plastic outer ring. I did look to see what was in here because I smelled something that smelled so good, and I had to see what this is. This is the December 2018 box, and doesn't tell me when it ships. Okay, your box will ship between the 15th and 20th every month. So I just got this not too long ago, so that's why I'm unboxing it so late. So let's open this up. Okay, comes like this, and like I said, I already opened it up, so it has a little sticker. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, what the heck was that? Did something fall out of here? No, my eyeshadow palette. Okay, says you are an amazing December box. On the back tells you what everything is. Does it? Yeah, tells you what everything is. The print is very small, so I might have to put my glasses on. All right. The first thing, everything is like peppermint. So this is a shower steamer. This is a pick-me-up peppermint shower steamer. And what this is, I have used, not this, but I have used something like this before. Oh my God. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like, okay? And you will put this in your shower, and with the hot water and stuff, it forms this steam, and you would smell like this peppermint smell. And it smells so, so good. All right, where are my glasses here? I'm very unprepared. Let's read up on it. And I don't know if it comes with prices or what. Okay, let's see what that says. All right. It says, add our trio of exclusive pick-me-up peppermint products are the highlight of this month's box. So I'm guessing that it is themed every month, so that's good. It says our peppermint beauty soap bar. Is that the soap bar? What is that? Our shower steamer is the perfect way to start your day. Place the disc on the floor, let the hot water hit it, and instantly be transported to your own peppermint scent. Okay, so it doesn't come with prices on here. All right, the next thing we got is this what is this? This is a whipped cheese butter. Ooh, right there. Oh my God. Oh my God, this smells so good. It smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. I can't explain it. Oh my God, it made me hungry. And that's what it looks like. Oh God, that smells so good. Oh, and it's nice and thick because it's body butter, which is good. This is a good body butter. Let's see. Let's put this on my hand. Oh yes. Yes. Look at that. That's good. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, Anne. I'm telling you, this box is really making me hungry. All right, so we got a body butter. Let's see what else we got. This is, what is this? Oh, it says you are amazing. It has the green tint, I guess, for the peppermint. And I love this for my wine. That is amazing. All right, what else do we got? A few more things. This is packed pretty good. Okay, so this is a peppermint. This is a beauty soap bar. So, oh God, it smells so good. I'm going to say on every single thing it smells so good. And it's just soap. So let's see. Does it say anything? Our Peppermint Beauty Soap Bar will give your skin's new best friend. This full-size bar contains actual pieces of peppermint for winter skin exfoliation. Oh, and I see it right in there, and I like it. So you can, you know, as you're doing that, it's exfoliating your skin. That is amazing. Let's see if it says anything about this body butter. I'm not kidding. Like, I might make my husband go get me some chocolate chip ice cream. Okay. What does this, let's see, the soap bar, your dry skin doesn't stand a chance with this all-natural whipped shea butter. Enjoy your pick-me-up peppermint scent of this little miracle worker any time of day. Smooth skin is always in style. Yes, it is. All right, so then we have two of these things. We've got these before from subscription boxes. These are the under eye mask, and they're okay. I'm not knocking that. And last but not least, ooh, this is nice. Okay, so we have a journal and a pen. So it says, "You are amazing," and green glitter there, but not the kind like if you go like that, glitter will get anywhere. So let's see. Self-care is a secret to success. That's so true. And it's just like a little journal. And one thing that I like, you get a nice pen to go with it, because sometimes subscription boxes, they'll give you journals and stuff, but then it doesn't give you a pen to, you know, to write with. Don't do that at home. Don't do that at home with your teeth. Okay, so let's see. Let's take the pen out. All right, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's see. So you just turn it up and you turn it down. This is a nice fancy pen. Let's see. Let me write. See how the pen is. Oh, that's nice. So there we go. It writes nice. And I really, really, really like this box. I mean, a lot. I really do. This is a nice journal. I love the fact it comes with a pen. Love it. This steamer, I can't wait to try. I cannot wait to try to put that in the shower. Oh my God, this body butter smells so good. We got the soap with the exfoliant in it, and we got two, you know, eye little mask, which I'm loving this. This is a nice pamper box, and I love it. I definitely think the price is there for $35 a month. As you can get 3 months or 6 months, the price does get a little cheaper. But like I said, I do have a code to save you $10 off your box. So for $25 to try it out, I definitely think it's a steal. I definitely do. I really like it. I don't know how many times I can tell you that. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you like this box? Do you like these types of box? Oh, I forgot, and we got the little cup. This is great. I'm going to love this. And let me know what you think. Would you pay this amount? What would you do? Are you going to get it? Let me know. And as always, I leave videos right here. Please like this video if you like it. If you don't, thumbs it down. It's all the same to me. It's interaction. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And that's all I have to say. I love you guys. Oh, and if you don't know, the palette that fell, let me get this up, was, I hope it didn't break, what I have on my eyes today, no it did not, is my Soft Glam palette. All right guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.